I'll wait to file my patent until I quit my day job. Hey everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. Don't wait. Keep your full-time job, because to be an entrepreneur doesn't require you to be full-time, all-in entrepreneur. You probably got to pay some bills and you might have some responsibilities. So don't take a fool's leap. You can actually get started. Filing a patent can be one of the first steps you take to going down this entrepreneurial journey that you should think about taking in parallel to your full-time job you might have right now. One thing to think about, of course, is whether the employer, right, your boss, your company you work for, is going to own your invention or not. And so if you're developing a product, solution, system that's in line or similar to your job, please get with one of us. We'll do a legal consult, help you decide whether that invention is going to be yours independently, or if you might be at risk of having your company claim ownership of the invention. So let's take some examples here, some inventors that didn't just go all in, quit their day job, or wait, which is even worse, to quit and then go out into their patent. Scott Wilson, he came up with TikTok. It was originally the watch, TikTok brand watch called Lunatic. Scott was a designer at Nike when he developed his premium watch band for the iPod Nano. He filed patents while he was still employed at Nike, launched a Kickstarter, and his idea exploded. Then he left corporate life. Dr. Patricia Bath, this is laser cataract surgery. Dr. Bath invented and patented her laser phaco probe while still working full-time as an ophthalmologist. Her patented device became a global medical standard before she ever shifted careers. Mark Randazza, this is voice-controlled toys. And if you've heard of the Teddy Ruxpin successor, Mark worked as a regular engineering job while working and sketching his early patents for voice-responsive toys. Those filings gave him leverage long before he considered going full-time in the toy industry. So they didn't quit their jobs just to file. So they filed while they're working, protected their invention, their core technology, while they're still making pay, still making the mortgage payment, right? Still having enough money to survive, and especially if they've got a family. So you don't need to go jump ship, borrow a bunch of money, and risk it all. You can slowly ramp up into your entrepreneurial journey. So don't turn your life upside down, but do not wait. File to protect your invention, get a patent, at least patent pending, while you're currently moving on your job, so you can develop your side hustle and eventually go big and go bold with that big hustle. All right, I'm JD Houvener, wishing you an awesome day. And indeed, go big, go bold.